I'm Lindsay Corneal, an associate professor in the School of Engineering at Grand Valley State University.
Hi, I'm Charlie Standridge, a professor of engineering at Grand Valley State University.
I will present an example of a case study of lead time reduction by transformation to cellular production. This is a study that was done in a Grand Rapids manufacturing facility to transform from a job shop production orientation to a cellular production orientation. It is an example of how lead time can be reduced while eliminating work in process inventories and the finished goods inventory.
We're going to discuss how we teach lean to our undergraduate students in the product design and manufacturing engineering program. We cover it as a philosophy along with quick response manufacturing with emphasis on the cellular organization and flow control mechanisms available. We also throw in a little math to back it up, Kingman's equation and Little's law.
We look forward to seeing you all on November 5th.